Imagine that. Okay, this next one, I don't know what to tell you about this next one. I don't know if I believe it. I don't know what's real and not real. Bezos is going to invest in I don't know. How do you write the headline? I don't know. Jeff Bezos to invest in Dogecoin. Experts predict Doge will hit $1 in less than 24 hours.
Why do they have to start with that? Do you think that he owns like other crypto, like ETH or Bitcoin?
Anybody with that much money might as well, right?
Yeah.
Anybody, and even more so in his case, because as goofy as his headline is, it's not completely out of the question. No, just hear me out.
Sure, yeah.
Hear me out, Will.
All right.
We had the Newegg story yesterday about how they want to take the Doge.
Sure, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So is it really impossible that Amazon could come along and say, I don't care if you want to use your doggy coin. Fine.
Yeah.
We'll take it.
We don't discriminate.
We'll take it. You want to convert it and buy yourself some zip ties for Prime?
Yeah.
You need some paper towel? Go ahead. We'll convert it for you. We'll figure it out. Does that mean he's a huge fan of it? Or it's more like a future-proofing thing of, Amazon wants to be the one-stop shop for anybody. For anybody, however it is they might want to pay for something. So is it really that crazy? And let's go a step further. What if Amazon, they do so much transacting? What if they just become the exchange themselves? The payment processor themselves? They just saw Coinbase do it. I don't know. Can you just keep crypto in your Amazon account? Is that crazy? Okay, let's go a step further. If you buy 90% of your stuff on Amazon, why don't I get the Amazon token? Where's my Amazon coin?
What are you calling it?
Yeah, what would be the name of that? Bezos coin?
Well, poop coin is taken. So.
Yeah. No, it was poo coin.
Poo coin.
Yeah, it's
Get it right.
exploding.
It's exploding.
Would it be No.
Oh, boy. Amma coin?
I don't know. And I don't like any of these.
Bezos coin?
We're going to have to work on the name of it. But anyway, apparently in the meantime, Amazon, someone found a job advertising that the company was looking for digital and emerging payments, looking to staff a digital and emerging payments division. I think this is going to be a differentiating factor. I think people are going to, and we were talking about GameStop in the same light, like people, they want to be a part of something, participate in something, and they want to interact with the other communities and companies that appear to be embracing the thing that they care about. And if that happens to be one particular coin, there's an opportunity for these retailers to satisfy those groups. And if you're at the scale of Amazon, I know all the accounting nightmare and things like this, but I think you got to at least be considering how to take advantage of that enthusiasm.
Right.
Like people are going to tweet it out. Look what I just bought with my, I don't know. We'll have to wait and see, but I'm still uncertain about that headline. Seems pretty bold. Jeff Bezos to invest in Dogecoin. It's going to send the price up to $1. It hasn't happened, by the way. And Willie Doo was just on the page.
What is it right now?
It actually looked down a little bit, 27 cents.
Yeah, it's
down 13% on the day almost.
Yeah.
So we'll have to see.
Come on, Bezos. Bring it up.